What's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to another episode. If you guys are new here, we do a quick giveaway at the beginning of every episode, and this week's winner is Armand. Thank you, Armand, for commenting on the previous video. If you guys want to win next week, just comment, like this video, give me something good in the comments, and I read everybody's comments and respond as much as I can. But without further ado, let's dive right into the review of Bidooh. I've always been pretty curious about display advertising and how people track it. You know, when you're driving down the 101 in Silicon Valley and you see all of these enterprise SaaS companies with their billboards up there, I've always been curious, how do they track that? Like, there's a lot of different technologies that, you know, correlate when cars are going down Highway 101, and they're tracking the number of eyeballs potentially that could be seeing it, and, you know, when people are visiting the site. And I never really quite understood what and how to measure the ROI of that. So what Bidooh is doing is they're decentralizing the way the display ads are delivered. They're doing this through blockchain technology with actual monitors that are going into physical locations. They did an actual case study, which I was really impressed at when I read through it. They set up a few monitors in the second busiest mall in the UK. And over the course of 4 days, they had 255 people, I believe, go in front of the monitor. It scans them. It lets the advertiser know what type of person they are, you know, their age, their gender, things like that, basic advertising information. It's like you are actually going to have a display shown in whether it's the second busiest mall in the UK, like a gas station or something like that. And it can tell the advertiser exactly who is in front of them. And that's how the tracking works. Advertising specifically is over $80 billion of a market, easily over 80 billion, probably 85, something like that. So what I want to do for this episode is I want to show the video. I love showing these very cool, quick animated videos. So let's dive into the quick video.
Outdoor advertising is a great place for your business to build its brand. But while you know the location of your ad, you don't know who's seen it. So can you really be sure if your adverts are being seen by the right people? Or at all? Now you can! Bidooh have developed a unique platform that connects an online portal to interactive digital screens that can recognize every individual, right down to their age and gender. Meaning you can understand exactly who's seen your adverts. It's a world first. Think of an advertising idea, and using the Bidooh app or web portal, launch it the same day. Create an ad, choose the best location to display it, set a budget, and upload. Then view impressions in real time as people see your ad. It's instantaneous and accessible to everyone by marrying the accountability of online advertising to the viewability of outdoor advertising. Bidooh will disrupt media planning and buying forever. To eliminate fraud and create transparency, the platform will record all displays and views on the blockchain to allow for independent auditing. The Bidooh platform is designed for global scale. New and existing digital screen owners can join the network to create the world's first truly global platform without borders. Businesses, media agencies, and network owners can all trade advertising space using Bidooh tokens. This is the future of outdoor advertising. Real-time, impression-based digital advertising.
Bidooh.
Let's run through a quick example. Let's say I want to start a coffee shop around the corner, and what I need to do is I need to get impression-based advertising to everyone in that general vicinity. I log on to Bidooh, their application, I create an ad for $10 a day, and I can track who is seeing my ad in the location that Bidooh has displays in. I can see their age ranges, basic information about those users as they're literally viewing my advertisement in real time via the application from the display ad. So I'm advertising in 3 malls around where I want to start that coffee shop to see if people are interested. I have instant information to the Bidooh application, and I can decide whether or not I want to open that coffee shop, or I could even do it for a pre-existing business that I have. This is where the decentralization piece comes into play. Allowing anyone to have access to powerful advertising is effectively decentralizing a lot of the overlords that run the Facebooks and the Googles and all of the advertising platforms there. And once it's proven out, the big institutions will come in and they'll say, all right, let's do $1 million per day. I want to buy up all the advertising for these 3 malls. And then that's when the stratosphere hits with Bidooh, where they get every location all across the world in different malls, and they effectively have kind of shifted around where media buying happens in real time with these displays that you can track just down to the T of who is seeing based on impressions. I've worked in the advertising industry for many years now, and I'm impressed by the fact that they are effectively doing this at a breakneck speed. They've already done the case study with physical displays at the second busiest mall in the UK, which is very impressive that they were able to pull that off. That means that they have a team. They're doing a pre-sale. I checked them out. I'm gonna be getting involved in the project just because I have been in the advertising industry and I know the potential to this. I'll be putting the link in the description below so you guys get a chance to go through, check it out for yourself. Join the whitelist if you want, join the pre-sale if you want. This isn't financial advice. Always do your own diligence and always get involved in projects that you feel passionate about. I feel passionate about this project because I've been in the space for so long and I know the potential of it. I've spoken to the Bidooh team. They've sponsored this video and they also have hooked me up with tokens to give away. So when you guys sign up in the description below and comment your wallet addresses, I will be giving away tokens. Say something witty, say something fun, and let's kind of get the conversation going about advertising and decentralizing billboards. And that's it for my review. If you guys like this review, slap a like. Don't forget to comment your wallet address, and don't forget to subscribe to the Crypto Fam. And I will see you guys on the next episode of Hack Crypto.